My name is Saisha Indra Borkar. Today I will discuss about the drug discovery and development. Drug discovery and development is a complex multi-phase process aimed at creating the safe and effective pharmaceuticals. Then to discuss about the process. Drug discovery, this phases focuses on identifying potential drug candidates in which these steps involves. First one is the target identification, in which identifying a biological target, that is the protein gene associated with the disease. This target should be druggable, that is able to bind with a drug and the influence disease progression. Then target validation, in which confirming the role of the target in the disease process, in which techniques includes genetic studies, RNA interference, and CRISPR case 9. Then high throughput screening, testing thousands of compounds for activity against the target. Lead identification and optimization, in which the refining hits into lead compounds with better activity, selectivity, and pharmacokinetics. Interactive chemical modification, improve potency and reduce toxicity. Then the compulsion drug design, using AI, machine learning, and molecular modeling to predict the structure activity relationship. Then discuss about the preclinical development, in which the goal is to evaluate and the safety and biological activity of the drug before the human trials, in which the steps involves in vitro studies and in vitro studies, in vivo study, testing in cell culture to assess the efficacy, toxicity, and mechanism of action. Then in vivo study, animals models are used to evaluate pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics. Then toxicological studies assess the short-term and long-term safety. Discuss about the good laboratory practices, that is the GLP. Ensure reliable and reproducible results. Regulatory authorities like the FDA or EMA requires GLP compliance. Then investigational new drug, that is the IND application, in which they are submitted to regulatory authorities to seek approval for human trials. It includes data on drug composition, manufacturing, preclinical results, and trial design. We discuss about the clinical development. This phase tests the drug in human and occurs in 3 phases. That phase 1, safety and doses, in which the 2200 participants, healthy volunteers or patients are involved. Then the objective, assess safety, tolerability, pharmacokinetics, and pharmacodynamics. Then the outcomes of phase 1, determine a safe dosage range and identify side effects. Then the phase 2, in which the efficacy and side effects are checks. Then the 100 to 300 participants are involved with target condition. Then objectives, evaluate efficacy and further assess safety. Then the outcomes of phase 2, refine dosing regimen and confirm therapeutic activity. Phase 3, that is the large scale testing, in which the participants involves 1000 to 3000 patients across multiple sites. Then objective, confirm the efficacy, monitor adverse reaction, and compare the drug to standard treatments. Then the outcomes, gather comprehensive data for regulatory approval. Then regulatory review and approval. The drug is submitted from regulatory evaluation, in which these steps involves. First one is the new drug application, that is the NDA. It is submitted to agencies like the FDA or EMA, include clinical trial data, preclinical results, manufacturing details, and labeling. Then regulatory review, experts evaluate safety, efficacy, and manufacturing compliance. May involve advisory committee meetings and inspections. Approval in safe and effective, the drug is approved for market release. Then the approval can be conditional, requiring post-marketing studies. Market surveillance, that is the phase 4. This phase monitors the drug after it reaches the market. Its activities involve pharmacovigilance, continuous monitoring for adverse effects and long-term risks. Reporting systems like the FDA, MedWatch collect real-world data. Then post-marketing studies. Further studies assess effectiveness in broader population or specific subgroups. Then label update and recalls. Information on new risks may lead to label changes or in rare cases withdrawal of the drugs. Thank you.